Well, I hope your Monday's off to a good start. It certainly started kind of rocky out there. Showers and thunderstorms moving through the area, all part of a cold front that's now pushed off to our east. You can see it's also pushing with it the showers and those thunderstorms. Weren't much in the way of severe storms, but there were a couple of strong areas of heavy downpours, some lightning, some thunder overnight. If you didn't get as much rain as you had hoped for out of this system, good news, you've got a couple more opportunities over the next several days. Let's take a look at the forecast. Here's what we picked up over the last 24 hours. It looks like Fort Smith at the airport anyways didn't get a whole lot at all, about 2/100ths of an inch. That's hardly enough to settle the dust. A little more than 1/4 of an inch in Fayetteville. That, of course, measured at Drake Field. The airport, Poto, pulling in just above 3/10 of an inch. Rogers at the airport almost got a 1/2 inch of rain. 3/10 was measured at XNA. Not a whole lot. We need more, and I think we'll get some more opportunities. Now, tomorrow is going to be overall a decent day. There are rain chances, spotty shower here and there, really brief in nature throughout the course of the day, with better chances of rain and some thunderstorms late in the evening. Now, before that gets here, it's all part of another cold front. Temperatures are going to warm up nicely. It looks like we're probably going to be hovering right around 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Unseasonably warm for this time of year. In fact, these numbers, just for some context, are about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than where they should be this time of the year. It does not at all feel like it's supposed to for the middle part of December, but that is going to be changing very quickly over the next 24 hours. This is Futurecast. It gives us an idea of when and where we can expect some of those showers. And as I mentioned, throughout the course of your Tuesday, there are going to be opportunities for a spotty shower or two here and there, but they're just that. They're spotty. They're generally light in nature. Not too big of a nuisance for us. We get a little bit later in the afternoon and the evening hours, still looking at a mostly cloudy sky. By late tomorrow night, we're talking probably after the 10 o'clock newscast, we start to notice additional showers developing, part of our next cold front. The latest data is indicating to us that the best area, most favored to see good soaking rain, probably going to be places along and south of Interstate 40. So we're looking at the River Valley for the best chance of rain here, but that's not to say we might not see a few of these scattered showers and thunderstorms in northwest Arkansas, although the chance is notably lower. You find these reds and these oranges, well, that yet again could be some of those stronger thunderstorms. Overall, the severe weather risk is relatively low. It's not necessarily zero, so we'll watch it just to be on the safe side, as we always do, but I don't expect a widespread severe weather outbreak. If anything, a good soaking rain, maybe even a little bit of localized flash flooding. It all kind of depends on where these heavy downpours set up and how slow or how quickly they're moving. This is going to be 3 o'clock in the morning come Wednesday. A lot of that continues pushing out of the area. We'll hold on to better rain chances in our eastern viewing area, places like Johnson, even Logan and Scott counties a little bit later into the morning. But I think a lot of this is probably out of the area by sunrise Wednesday. Not all of it. You can see a few of those scattered showers continuing, but the bulk of the activity pushing into parts of central, southern, eastern Arkansas. They need the rain over there too. Slowly but surely throughout the course of your Wednesday, all of the rain exits the area by lunchtime. Clouds continue to slowly break, and we may even see a little bit of sunshine by Wednesday. The big story behind that front is not necessarily even the rain, although that's notable. It's the big temperature drop that we're expecting. In fact, it looks like we're going to see about a 10-degree fall going into Wednesday. These are your afternoon high temperatures. Thursday's a cool day. We get another surge of air, and boy, look at that. We're going to close out this work week with highs in the low 40s. It's going to be a chilly Friday, no question about that. We do start to warm back up going into next week, and that warming trend actually carries us over into the Christmas holiday, which at this point is shaping up to be somewhat warm. Certainly warmer than it should be this time of the year. A mild Christmas on tap. You'll look at those River Valley temperatures, and yet again, we're going to go from near 60 on Tuesday down into the low 50s by Wednesday. That's a drop you're going to notice. You might not need that jacket or that heavy coat tomorrow. You're going to want it on Wednesday, especially out there in the mornings. Our mornings are going to be downright chilly, 20s and 30s, especially on Friday. But here comes that subtle warm up going into the Christmas holidays. So if you got travel plans next week, a large majority of the country is actually going to see above normal temperatures. I do want to show you this. Of course, Christmas is a ways away, but it is starting to show up on our weather model data. This is Christmas Eve. It does look like we're going to have some chances of rain. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll tell you, this far out, I wouldn't put a lot of stock into the timing or the placement of the rain. The key takeaway here is that rain could be in the area. The details will continue to work themselves out over the next couple of days. The picture will get a little bit more clear, but right now I do want to let you know If you got plans on Christmas Eve, this is the afternoon. We've got some rain in the area. That system slowly but surely pushing off towards the east. Rain appears likely in central and eastern parts of Arkansas going into Christmas morning, but a lot of it looks to be tapering off by the time we're waking up, gathering on that Christmas tree, opening up all those gifts from Santa. Could see a couple of spotty showers. We'll maintain a low chance on Christmas Day. It looks like the next day, December 26th, probably has another chance of rain. Here's your 10-day forecast. We'll break it all down for you. Mainly late chance of rain tomorrow. Temperatures are going to warm up ahead of that front. They're going to drop off pretty quickly by Wednesday. I don't see much of a chance of rain on Wednesday for northwest Arkansas. We'll hold on to that chance in the River Valley for a little bit longer into the morning hours. Sunshine as high pressure builds in Thursday, Friday. That high pressure stays with us through Saturday and Sunday. But you'll notice as we get into next week, it becomes a bit more active. That weather pattern not only bringing warmer temperatures, can you believe it? We're going to be near 60 degrees on Christmas Day. Wow, oh, wow. Also brings chance of rain. I think the best odds are probably going to be the day before and likely the day after Christmas, although Christmas may not be entirely dry. We'll keep that 20% chance of rain in the forecast there. How about a check of your River Valley 10-day forecast? Better chances of rain here in the River Valley for your Tuesday. Again, a few spotty showers throughout the course of the day. Much better odds expected for Tuesday evening into Wednesday morning, followed by that big drop in temperatures on Wednesday. They'll keep a few spotty showers in your Wednesday morning forecast. I don't think Wednesday's a washout by any stretch of the imagination. It will be colder, though. That cold air continues to settle in, reinforcing shots of that cool Canadian air by Friday. The River Valley on Friday might not even get out of the 40s. That's cold, but that's pretty normal for this time of the year. It's those mornings that are going to get you down to 25 degrees. If you're doing some last-minute Christmas shopping this Saturday, you'll want to dress warm as you're out and about. Good news is that high pressure keeps us full of sunshine. Dry weather continuing through your weekends. Last weekend before Christmas, and then that rain starts to creep back into the area by early next week. That's a check of your 5 Plus forecast. Good to see you here on 5 Plus and 5newsonline.com.